G'day junkers. I've been away for a while. It's been basically too bloody hot to to do anything. So yes, anyway, we have here the Kambrook Omelette maker, and it's KOM1. KOM obviously standing for Kambrook Omelette Maker. So very original in its description. This should only be a relatively quick one. That blackening doesn't appear to be damage, it's just they decided not to waste paint on it. Now, I haven't cleaned this, so it's actually quite greasy, so it has been used before. And simple basic design. We've got a thermo control there, the indicator light there, so I expect the fuse to be on the other side. Yep. Ooh, quite dirty. That's okay, we'll clean that up, not a problem. And we can see the fuse is there. I'm not marking these because it's quite obvious: red, red, blue, blue, green, green. So nothing needs to be remembered there. So that's the basic teardown. Obviously it needs cleaning up, but very self-explanatory if you've watched any of my other videos. So thanks, and I'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye.